Yo llegué a los Estados Unidos en mayo del 2008. La razón por la cual yo vine de Cuba fue mi mamá quiso que estudiara y que tuviera un futuro. I started on Envoy, my career on Envoy in 2016 as a fleet server clerk. From there, I started working on the RAM, learning the RAM, all the procedures out there. A year after, I joined a management program. 4 months after, I become a ship manager on the RAM. The leadership and all the appropriate tools I developed myself. Also had the opportunity to also learn all the departments of passenger service, support service, and today I'm the baggage operation manager here for Miami. In 2016, when I started with Envoy, I started I believe like everybody else, just coming here for the benefits to fly. One of the best trips we had was when my wife and I decided to go to New York. So we decided to go to New York, but we don't realize that January on New York is the snow season. I don't realize how much I missed Miami until I get there. So that was pretty cool, and that's one of my good trips. What it keep me here at Envoy, we have ups and downs, but we are family. And I also believe in the people that you have out there in the field. The best advice I could give someone that just started is if you dream it, go for it. You're gonna build many skills that you don't even know that you have. You're gonna meet many different type of beautiful people out there. And again, for me, Envoy is the great company out there.